Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you a free AI tool that removes the background noise present in our audio file. So let's get started. So name of the website or tool is Adobe Podcast. So if you just Google Adobe Podcast, you'll be getting the first link over here. Just select that. And here it says, right, AI powered audio tool that elevate your voice. So if you just scroll down in their website, the first option is going to be enhance speech, and it says remove noise and echo from voice recording. And they also have other multiple options. If you want, you can just check them out. I will just click on go to enhance speech. So here it says clearly, right, clean up audio for free with Adobe Podcast AI. And they also have a space to upload your file, and they have some constraints: 1 hour limit, 30 minutes, 500 MB should be the size of the audio file since this is a free version. And the file types that they upload are these .mp3, .wav. So I will just upload and show you my file over here. So here I'm having an mp3 file. So if I just now play this,
1, 2, 3, 4.
So you just heard the background wind sound, right? So let's see how this enhances our mp3 or audio file. And before that, in case if you're having a M4A file, because I had my recording in a M4A file, and this doesn't accept a M4A file. It only accepts MP3 over here. And in case if you want to convert your audio file to MP3, I hope you will be having VLC media player. You need to just click on media, and you need to go to convert and save, and you need to click on add, and here you need to select your non-MP3 format file, which is M4A in my case, and you need to click on open, and you need to click on convert and save. And here you need to select the profile as audio mp3, and you need to just select the destination, and you can just save the file. And if you click on start, basically we will be getting an converted mp3 file within few seconds.
7, 5.
So the same file over here. So this is good. This is basically how you get an mp3 file. So now let's see how we can upload this. So I'll just click on choose files, and this is my mp3 file over here. I will just select this and click on open. So it takes some time to upload, and in the meanwhile they also have a paid version. So if you want to explore the features what they give in the paid version, you can just get it. And I think it's super worth it in case if you are vlogging or doing some outdoor shoots. In case if you want to edit your audio, I think this is the next level tool that you have, because it's from Adobe, like they are the masters. Once the enhancement has been done, here we will be having an option to play our mp3 file. So here you can see the play button is there, and if I toggle this enhanced speech on, we will be getting the audio without any background noise or echoes or something. So if I just play it,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
That's really a great improvement. And in case if you want to like view the original file, okay,
8, 9, 10.
So let me just play it like side by side. The original
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So this literally has removed the entire wind noise. So it's mind-blowing, seriously. And in case if you use the paid version, they also give a enhanced strength. By this way you will be having a threshold to control the removal of background noises. But the free version works next level. And do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of programming videos and AI related videos. Check them out, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.